Half the lambdas you write are trivial. Take an argument and drop it into one fixed spot. SRFI 26 cut writes those for you. You mark the holes with an angle bracket, and cut hands back a procedure. It's partial application without the ceremony. Cut times 2, hole is the doubling function, map it, and 1 through 5 double. Cut greater than, hole 3 is this bigger than 3? Filter with it and we keep 4, 5, 6. Each angle bracket is an argument the new procedure still expects. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 4, 5, 6. You can leave several holes and pin the parts in between. Cut, list, X, hole, Z, turns each element into a little 3-part list. And a cut can be all holes, which simply names the underlying procedure. 3 holes on plus is a 3-argument adder. Each number wrapped between X and Z, and 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Cut has a sibling, cute, that evaluates its non-whole parts once, when the procedure is built, instead of on every call. Handy when a fixed argument is expensive to compute. Here, add 10 to each. 11, 12, 13. Cut turns apply this, with the arguments in these slots, into a tiny readable procedure. No lambda, no wasted names. SRFI 26, in Kaappi. The docs in a browser playground are at kaappilang.org. Write the lambda, run on the metal. See you at the next pour. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Kaappi.